Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you how to install a compiler and start running your C programs in your PC. So we will start. So here you can see here is a basic C program of Hello World and I can't run it directly, and if I try to run it you will see this big chunk of error, and this says that GCC is not recognized. So if you have GCC on your PC installed, you will not see anything like that. So to check whether you have GCC installed, you will click GCC minus minus version and you will check. And if you have not installed GCC, you will see a error or like this. So first we will go and install GCC. Go to Chrome or any browser of your choice and search mingw. And after searching for mingw, just go to the website and download the MinGW by clicking on the download button. And this download will start in some seconds. As you can see, MinGW has been installed, and I will just click here, start the installation process. I will continue and we will wait for it to get installed. As you can see, MinGW has been installed and I will click on continue. And now we will click for the GNU C++ compiler and right click here and mark for installation. That's it, we only need to that, and we will go for apply changes and we will just apply it. And as you can see, the C++ compiler has been started to install. After the completion of installation, we will just close that window and then we will search environment variables and we will go to the edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables here and now click on path here and open it and click on new. And what will be here? First we will go to the file explorer, go to the C window, we'll go to the C drive, and in C drive you can see after the installation of MinGW a new folder called as MinGW created. We will click here, go to the bin, and in bin we will right click on this GCC file and go to the properties, and here is its location, and this location will be copied by us, and we will just copy this location and we will paste it here in the path. Click on new path, copy paste it. Now after installing that, I have to tell you some extensions which you have to install and configure to make your life a lot easier. First we will go to the extension tab and search for C/C++, and here you will see three extensions by Microsoft. I will recommend you to install all three and you can install them. And then you have to install one more extension known as CodeRun. And .run by Junhan, you should also install this. So after installing CodeRunner extension, we will go to the settings and search for CodeRun. And here in CodeRun, we will click on and tick these boxes. Clear previous output, we will click this, and then we will take this run in terminal and we will take this save file before run, and after that we'll just close this and we are ready. And after doing all that work, you should go to the command prompt and type gcc minus minus version, and you will see something like this. It shows you the version of the GCC installed. So if you don't see anything like this, no, it means you have done something wrong. And in the VS Code terminal, if you don't see something like this by doing GCC minus minus version, you can restart your computer and try it again. So it will work.